Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I'm going to make a very unique overnight almond face pack that makes the skin smooth, soft and supple. Along with it, I'm also going to make a wonderful drink that reduces skin inflammation, improves immunity, treats cold, cough and aids in good digestion. Since it is easier to digest and helps us get back our lost strength, it is one of the best foods for people who have gone through an illness. For making the drink, soak 6 to 7 almonds and peel the outer skin. Soaking and peeling helps get rid of the bitter compounds and makes it easier to digest. It also gets rid of some of the anti-nutrients present in almonds. If you don't want to use almonds, you can also use cashew nuts too. I have used 6 almonds here, but you can increase or decrease the quantity depending upon your preference. Now take 3 or 4 peppercorns and 3 seedless dates. Add to the grinding stone and grind to a smooth paste along with little water. Strain the ground mixture. Now take quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder in a cup. Add in quarter cup of boiling hot water. Mix well. Now add this to the strained liquid. Mix well. This drink is light on the stomach, tastes good, and does wonders to a health and skin. When you're adding turmeric to any drink, always add black pepper too, as it increases its bioavailability. Also, adding turmeric to hot water before mixing removes the raw smell of turmeric in the drink. If you have lactose intolerance, this will be an ideal drink for you. I have added quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder as I'm making the drink to reduce inflammation. But if you're planning to drink daily, just add a pinch of turmeric powder. If children get cold or have phlegm, cow's milk will aggravate it. So stop cow's milk for a few days and give this drink. If you want a thicker milk, increase the amount of almonds and dates. To make the face pack, first we have to make saffron milk. To make saffron milk, boil quarter cup of milk in a pot. Take a pinch of saffron. Add it to the milk and remove from the fire. Let it cool completely. Now take a little bit of saffron milk and a rubbing stone. Take an almond and start rubbing. Almond rubs into a paste very easily. With this method, we'll get a very smooth paste easily. We'll need 2 to 3 almonds depending upon the size for making enough paste to use as a face pack. There'll be some saffron milk left over after making the paste. You can either consume it or store it in the fridge and use it for making the pack the next day. This pack can be used by people with very sensitive skin too. You can use this paste for children, but for children, don't apply as a pack. Apply on the face, leave it on for a minute or two, and then wash it off. For oily skin, you can use low-fat milk. The leftover pack can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. To use, take the pack and apply it all over the face and neck. I generally apply the pack, leave it on, and wash it off before going to bed. Since it is cold in the mornings here, my skin was looking dry and patchy, and just 2 uses of this pack has made my skin smooth and supple again. A regular use of this pack will help brighten dull skin, and it will also help fade dark spots and scars very soon. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.